Rightio. Tonight, we're going to keep on going with the grill theme for one more trip anyway, just because weather permits it. We haven't got to total fire bans yet, so we can still have a fire. I want to pull out the Alton grill one more time. So we'll get our hooks on. You might be wondering why I've set the top of that fire pole so far away from the fire, and that is so I can slide the grill on and off the heat as needed, or like now as I'm setting up. Oh, the smoke doesn't help though. Oh, such a tiny grill. Such a tiny grill. I should have brought me the other one, but anyway. Oh, go away, fly. Although I shouldn't. So we'll leave that over hard against there. I need you over here. Oh yeah, table. Where's our bag of tricks? Bag of tricks over here. So bring out our cutting board, and we need a knife. First job, I didn't say, did we? We're doing you describe it probably close to like a Philly cheesesteak roll, but not in Philadelphia, of course. So we've got a bakery roll here from Coles. These things are like, go away nymphs, please. These things are like muffins when they're done. So we're normally you'd dice your steak, dice your cheese and whatever you're putting with it, and add to it, but because this roll's so dense, we're just going to put it all on whole, and then come on, there we go, and then I'll cut the roll into slices. So we can probably get this grill on to about there. Get away! Oh. They don't bite, but they're just creepy crawly. So we're gonna grill our rolls to start with. While that's happening, if we go into the refrigerator compartment, in here we have just our piece of Drover's Choice steak from Coles, and where is it? There. Gonna char some capsicum to put on as well, and then welcome back the vac seal bag for some cheese. So that's all I needed now. I'll close it up so it doesn't get heat out. What else do I need in here? Nothing. All right, so we can piss this off. Actually, I might need the glove. I'll get the glove out just in case. So bag goes away. All right. Not frozen this time. I haven't used it as a frozen pellet. So because this is so dense, we won't let that get too charred. Cheese can wait until later. Steak, that. These fucking nymphs. Oh, I put Irrigate on, they're still hanging around like a bad smell. Go away, go away. So I'll I'll get a good char or crust on the bread, and then we'll get the steak and the capsicum on. On second thoughts, because they're so dense, I might not do that, just because of how how dense they are and how much my teeth hurt. So we're going to throw our capsicums on, and we'll get them nice and black first before we go any further. Bit of red, bit of green. We just want a nice char on them. So, oop, don't go too far. Don't go too hot. Let them char up nicely and get them off and get the steak on. I swear this is the last test for these Alton Goods titanium tongs, because they can't grip shit. Obviously not real charred there, but the underside's the wet side, so top should char up real nicely here now. Rightio, they're done. So nice char on them. We're going to chopping board and let them cool down a little bit. Come on. You do some good stuff, Alton Goods, but your tongs are hopeless. So get our steak out, without being as messy as we can. Come on. Oh, of course it's going to be a pain in the ass. Oh, that smell. That's fuck off, nymphs. That smell of roasted capsicum is just oozing through camp. So get that on there and go away. We'll try and get this cooked before the nymphs take over. Go on, it's getting colder, so piss off. Before we flip this over, we'll do the honorary salt and pepper shake. Not too much salt. Peppers. And I'm going to add a little bit of oil to it as well, just to help it when we flip it over. Which is going to help the flame up as well. There's a stick. Yeah, I know. So I'll try and go through here like that and go. There we go. There we go. Nice flip. And that's probably going to take another minute and a half, and that's going to be ready to go. So if I can get this way through all these goddamn nymphs, we'll start plating up. But before we do, while it's upside down like that, we'll add, shouldn't be so hard to open, but then I suppose it'd come open. A little bit of salt to the bottom end of it. A little bit of pepper to the bottom end of it as well. And that'll be done very, very shortly. Alright, while that's finishing up, we're going to slice our capsicum. Oh yeah. Oh, nothing better than char grill capsicum. Oh, god damn it. So that'll go there. I'm going to put this onto the steak now somehow. It's actually working better than I thought it would. Oh. We have some men down. So now it's on there, we'll get our cheese. This is going to be the fun part, trying to transfer it all over onto our roll without losing the whole lot. So cut on the angles. We're just going to let our cheese melt. While that's melting, do some dishes. Oh, go away! Go away, you little bastards! So, I'm just going to wait for that cheese to melt on there, and we can serve it up with hopefully rare to medium steak. So grab our bread roll back out again. I had to hide it back in the bag because the nymphs. Steak's not the only protein I'm eating tonight. So we'll see how we go here. Oh, that's really warm. Ow. Ah, don't lose it. Don't lose it. Come here. Oh. Winning. So look at that. That steak is in there. Oh. God, they make it hard, I swear. But again, we're eating some protein tonight, so we'll get in our chopping board, get off my hand. That cheese is just oozing out. They're on my face now. Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get away! Get away! It's mine. Chili. Philly cheesesteak. Aussie version. Oh, delicious. Delicious. Get away. With all the extra protein, of course. Oh yeah. Mmm. Go away! Go away! That steak's perfect. Oh. Trying times here in the budget kitchen. Go away. I'll be quick. That capsicum just sets it off. That char on there. Go away. Go away. Oh, it's like fending off the bloody dogs. You don't want this. Go away. The cheese, it's just a bit of tasty cheese on there, melted. You don't have to cart a lot away on the bike with you. A few key ingredients, and you got a meal. You got a meal fit for a king. Oh. Oh yeah.